It's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is super special. I have a special guest with me, and this is Gracie Pooh. Say hey, Grace.
Hi, and Mima.
And Mima.
Yeah, he's a puppy.
So it's Grace and Mima and me. So I got a few special guests, but today's video is super special because we are going to be unboxing the package. It's a PR package. I paid for it though because Colourpop don't send me no PR, but Colourpop, look in my description box. My PO box is there. Go ahead and get your girl on the PR list. Wink, wink. So, you know, I paid for this with my own money. But I got the PR box for Candyland, y'all. Candyland is an all-time favorite of mine. Candyland.
I thought Candyland, they got cupcakes and donuts.
Yeah. So
you know, you eat a cookie, your tooth fall out.
Oh wow, I didn't know you ate
That's
that.
like my tooth.
Oh.
Guys, stand it up, but don't eat cookies, or your tooth fall out.
Good PSA. So I have Grace in the video today because this is all a Candyland unboxing. So why not include Grace? We have our bows in. Show your bow. We have our pretty bows in, and we're going to do this thing. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to first start off with the box that everything came in, y'all. This box was packaged perfectly. Everything was bubble wrapped very, very nicely.
Bubble wrap?
Yeah, it came with bubble wrap, and it came with a card that says, "You make me melt."
Mommy.
Packaging is super beautiful on this one. Oh my goodness, and this is the back of it. This says Colourpop Land, Candyland X Colourpop. This is super, super cute. I'm so excited to open this. Grace actually has a separate lippy. This is the separate lippy that I ordered as well, and this is actually for Grace. Grace gets to try out the first item, which is the roller gloss. So Grace,
put it in your lips.
yeah, you put it on your lips. On your lips, Grace. That way you can tell us what you think. What do you think?
It look good.
It look good? Does it smell good? Okay, so Grace approves of the Princess Lolly roller color. So now let's get into this bad boy since Grace did her mini review. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Close your hair. What? Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. Okay, so this is the top layer. This is the top layer. Then you open it up and there is another layer, y'all. You can actually play the game. A board game, guys, and it comes with the instructions for Colourpop Land. The first part out, which is actually the products, and then you get this play board. So you get the game board. I'm not gonna open it right now, but this is a game board. And then you close it back in there, lower level with the game board, and then we have the top of it. It's in the kit, guys. I'm just gonna go over it real quick. If you want in-depth reviews, let me know. But again, these are the 4 pieces that come within. You get these 3 glowing lip balms, and I'm going to go ahead and show you each one. And Grace already showed you the Princess Lolly, and she gave us a mini review. So we're just going to swatch these 3 right. This is the first one, is Peppermint Frost, looks like that. And we're just going to do a quick little swatch to see how this bad boy swatches. I love the packaging. I already opened them, but the packaging on these are super, super pretty. This reminds me just of Christmas time. And this is what this one looks like. And these are just glowing lip balm. And as you can see, even on my skin tone, you barely can see it. It's like a berry color, but you barely can see it. And these just remind me of the Revlon lip butters, and they feel like them too. Of a peppermint scent, so they are peppermint scented. It is Let's Chill, and every time I think of Let's Chill, all I think is let's chill, let's settle down. Come on, y'all, that's what I wanna do. Just me and you forever and ever. Let me stop. Okay, let's go back to 2020. But this is Let's Chill. Look at Let's Chill. It looks pretty, but I don't think it's gonna come up real good in my skin tone. And again, it has that peppermint smell to it, so it has that peppermint vibe. And to me, they're very similar in colors. That's the first one. And then there's Let's Chill right here. Let's Chill is a little bit darker, but again, these are just tints, so they're not gonna give off much color anyway. So if you're looking for a whole bunch of color, you ain't looking for that in that. And this is Mr. Mint. So I'm thinking this is going to be like pepperminty as well. And it has the same packaging. Look at that one. Yeah, that's bright, baby. That's bright. I think that's gonna come off really bright on my skin. Yeah, that's the third one right there. Bright, bright, bright. Like, that don't look good at all on my skin tone. But again, I got it for collector's purposes. But all three of them, they are workable, except for the last one. I would really have to use like Night Moth or something as my liner and then just put this on top. So it's more of a frost that will go on top. Now that's the lippies. So let's talk about the Fill-In Plumpy. These are the milks. I have never used any of the Colourpop's face milks before, so this is going to be something new for me to try out. I'm trying not to mess it up, but this is something new for me to try out, and it came with 3 of them, and I am excited to do so. What we have here is the coconut face milk, and they say in this you apply 2 to 3 drops into palms, warm between hands, and gently press onto skin as needed. And this is just supposed to plump up your face before your makeup application. So yeah, I cannot wait to try these. I've never tried a face milk before, so this is something brand new to me. The next one is papaya, and it looks just like that. And then the last one I'm the most excited for to try this one out, and this one is in watermelon. So this is in a watermelon, so I can't wait to try that out. Again, they give you the 2 cards on the side right here, if you guys can see it, and that's to play the board game. Now we're going to get into the palette itself. Like the cheek products, I'm gonna show them to you, but we're really not going to swatch all that. This is the eyeshadow palette. It just says Candy Castle. So pretty on the packaging, guys. Like, seriously, how much cuter can you get with this packaging? It is absolutely beautiful. And then you just go ahead and open it up, and you have your mirror. Don't want to blind you. And then there's your shades. Like, this is pretty. This is nice. My favorite color off bat is Plumpy. That's my color. Oops, this is the protective film. Oh goodness, Plumpy is my boo. I already know off drip right there. Love it. That is really, really pretty. So yeah, that's gonna be bae for me. I think I'm gonna use Gloopy and Plumpy the most for my skin tone. It is a lot of colors in here that's not going to do much for my skin tone, but I got this for collector purposes. I didn't get it really to be like, oh my god, I gotta use this every day. This is the highlighter, baby. This joint is huge. This is a big behind highlighter. This cute puff. So it comes with this really cute puff. How cute is this? I love the color and the blue and everything with it. It's a little light on my skin, but you know, it'll do what it do, and I'll make it do what it do. And again, I just got it for the packaging. Then we have the 3 cheek products. I want to be honest with you, the only one I'm going to be using out of all 3 of the cheek products is this one. So I'm going to show you guys this one. This is the Gumdrop Pass, and it looks just like this. This is what it looks like. Like I said, still a little chalky. So I'm going to just recap the line. I mean, this is not dark skin girl friendly, to be honest. I'm not even going to lie to you. This is really not fully dark skin girl friendly. I think we can make everything in here work, but it is not dark skin girl friendly. This is for collector purposes for me. That's why I picked it up. But I'm going to make the palettes work for me. I'm going to make the eyeshadows, everything work for me. But it is going to take a little bit of work. One thing I would recommend Colourpop is keep all colors in mind. Keep all colors and skin tones in mind when you make products. Because even though, you know, Candyland has a lot of fairer skinned people, you know, this is 2020. You know, get with the times, okay? And come out with something that's more inclusive. That way everybody has something they can benefit from. So if you picked up this collection, definitely let me know what you think in the comments below. Rate, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Say bye, guys.
Bye.